Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying ownership. You must prove the device is legally yours. Once done, gather the serial or IMEI and a clear proof of purchase, because Apple will ask. Make sure you have iTunes on a computer and a stable USB connection. These tools let you present information and perform authorized restores. If you can contact the original Apple ID holder, request removal of activation lock through their iCloud account. That is the simplest, legitimate route. You will coordinate with Apple support. Explain ownership and submit required documents, since Apple can remove activation lock when ownership is proven. Once Apple authorizes, use iTunes to perform an official restore while connected. Recovery mode is used only as directed by Apple. The why is simple. Apple's process preserves device integrity and your data privacy. Avoid third-party bypass tools. Those methods are unreliable, may contain malware, and can lead to permanent service denial or legal trouble. Finish by following Apple's final instructions, signing in with the correct Apple ID, and confirming activation lock is cleared. If the lock persists, escalate the case or resubmit your ownership evidence. Sometimes extra documentation resolves it. Make sure you keep copies of purchase receipts and support case numbers, because you may need them for appeals. If anything goes wrong, contact Apple support again, do not use unofficial services, and consider seeking a consumer protection agency if disputes remain unresolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.